Hi! Who wants to go first?
Yeah, I'll go first. Well,
Go on, Connor.
basically, yeah, we've been filming for the last 2 weeks, yeah, and now, well, we think we've completely finished filming, so we're starting to edit. Yeah, we're starting to edit our things on a Final Cut, which is kind of quite well. We've done about how long have we done that?
Well, we've
3 hours.
3 hours.
I mean, like,
what do you mean?
Like what we've managed to cut it down to.
Oh, we're just under 2 minutes,
Yeah,
which is what we need to be.
Because it was like 4 minutes for the first half, which we had to cut down a lot.
Yeah, when Kirsty was in her exam, me and Connor went from 3 minutes 30 to what? About 1 minute
About
50
1 minute
something.
Yeah.
So we just applied the same.
Yeah, because
Things.
we originally planned it to go with the song,
Yeah.
the full length of the song, until we realised it.
And then we found out the lesson before we were going to film that it had to be 2 minutes. Kirsty, talk. Say about what we've done today.
No, we all took part in editing and we all made sure that we had equal amounts of filming. What did we do today?
Today we put all of
cut
Eloise's bits in
Eloise's,
Yeah.
so Jessica's bits together
We all took
that
part
we
in
filmed.
editing.
because we filmed them yesterday at Kirsty's house and we trashed her mum's bedroom. So
But we all took part in editing today. Becky, what part did you do?
I put you done the bathroom bits.
Yeah, I've done all the bathroom bits.
You done the
Bedroom and the car bit.
bedroom and the car, and I done the walking downstairs.
Yeah.
The
And we
wardrobe.
all went through an
Yeah, and we all took chunks out.
bits out.
Connor's been keeping on top of the blogs. Well done, Connor.
But like so far, we've we're pretty ahead of what we
Yeah.
intended to be.
And all we've got to do the voiceover
And the
and
titles.
the title sequence, and we've got to like edit the colour.
Yeah, we've got to do the colours, making sure it doesn't jump. And what's sorry, got to do? And we've taken screen grabs the whole way along, so that'll be on the blog.
Just got to edit them. No, like talk about them.
Yeah,
So
but I think we're doing
Pretty
well.
productive.
We're doing well.
Yeah, doing well.
Good little group.
I think that's about it. So
Group spud.
Group spud.
Bye.
Bye.